Lanatullahi alal kadibin. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that in the Quran, the curse of Allah upon the liars. And those who are selling the pirated things, the fake things, they use the labels of others and to put on their products and they cheat people. They are also among the liars because they are telling to people that it is true original product, but it is fake. And there are lots of people doing that in the whole world. Especially in Philippines, there are lots of pirated things. And it is forbidden to do this. It is haram. Nabi Muhammad ﷺ said, Man khana falisa minna, whoever cheat people, he's not among us. So selling the pirated things, it's a big sin. Your income is haram. And that income you buy the food, that food is also haram. And when you eat that food, haram food, it will make your haram body. And this haram body should go to hellfire in the next life and not in the paradise. And even when you eat the haram, the forbidden income, then you will not get any blessing, but you will only get curse. The curse of Allah, the curse of God. You can see in the Philippines, not just Chinese, but there are many Muslims. There are so many Muslims in Philippines, in Metro Manila, in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. There are many Muslims who sell the fake products. Fake glasses, fake watches, fake clothes, fake accessories of the cell phones. And it's a very big sin. Even the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the man khana falaysa minna, who cheat, he's not among us. He's not a Muslim. He's not a believer. He's considered, the Prophet Muhammad considered a cheater, making who sell like pirated products. He's a cheating people. And the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, he's considered as a disbeliever because he cheat people. Very important point is not just selling the pirated products is haram or forbidden or bawal, even the buying. Because when you buy, you are also supporting them and supporting for the evil. You become an evil also. That's why Allah said, Ta'awunu lil birri wa taqwa, wa la ta'awunu lil ismi wal udwan. Help people for righteousness and piety, and don't help people with evil. So we should not help people for evil. So example, they are selling pirated things. This product is pirated. No, I don't like it. Even you can buy very expensive, but don't buy this pirated.